because she can't do this.
Roseanne is 21 and is a Libra. His first acting role was in Spider-Man 2 when he was 12. He shot to fame thanks to the Camp Rock movie, which he did with Demi Lovato and the Jonas Brothers. He's been playing the drums since he was 2 and also plays the piano and guitar, and he learned to dance while watching Michael Jackson videos. So please welcome to studio via Skype from LA, star of Shake It Up, Roseanne Fagan.
Hey, what's happening?
Oh, good. How are you, buddy?
I'm all good. I'm feeling good.
Oh, well, thank you so much for joining us today.
And thank you for having me. This is awesome.
Now, hey, congratulations on the success of Shake It Up, because it's in its 3rd season now. So how's it going? What's it like?
You know, it's a blessing. It's 3rd season, and, you know, we're rolling strong. We got some great episodes that we can't wait for the world to see. And we had a lot of fun with season 3, so we're just ready for everyone to, you know, see it all. It's crazy.
And do you love it personally? Like, I mean, you're on it.
Yeah, I'm on that thing. It's funny that I don't watch it as much as I probably should. Like, I don't know what episode we're on now, but, you know, just being a part of the project is probably the best part of all. It's great.
So when the cameras aren't rolling, is everyone, like, singing and dancing all the time like we imagine?
I guess, yeah. It's pretty real life for me. I'm always dancing. I'm always singing. I write and produce all my own music. I got my own situation going on. I got my own dance studio, music studio here downtown LA. Yeah, so it's a lot going on, but it's exciting.
Man, your life is awesome. And speaking of dancing, because you got to show everyone your swag when you were on Dancing with the Stars, what was that experience like?
Oh, wow. That experience was unbelievable. I will say it was probably one of the craziest but most awesome experiences of my life. You know, I went through a lot just trying to keep in the race. I mean, honestly, everyone in that season really brought something crazy to the table, and you know, it was like a real war out there. So it was fun. It was a lot of great you know, people to work with, and you know, I got to stay fit too. It was like a great exercise for me. It's crazy.
Yeah, I can imagine it was full on. So that's your dancing, and you're a great actor. Singing, let's talk more about that. What have you got any plans for 2013?
2013, you know, I called this year actually Row 13. It's a hashtag that I like write everywhere on my Twitter and Instagram. And what that means is I'm really, like, this year planning on just delivering as much as I can to my fans. You know, they've been waiting for content musically from me for, like, I don't know, like 4 or 5 years maybe. So Row 13 is like, no matter what, I'm not gonna let this year go without dropping like as much as I can. You know what I mean? So soon, I think it's summer now here. Yeah, soon I'm gonna be dropping a lot of tracks from them, so they'll hear it.
Oh, we are excited about that. So basically, you're like the triple threat, really. And with more singing, who would you like to collab with? Like, is there someone that you'd like to sing a song with in particular?
Man, I love a lot of people, you know. I'm really influenced by all types of genres. will.i.am is one of my favorite producer, artists, rappers, singers. I think he's just an influential dude. He's just always so positive. I love that. You know, of course, like Justin Timberlake, he's crazy. I mean, Chris Brown makes hits. I mean, you know, anyone that's really doing it and doing it because they love it, I want to work with. Bottom line. Yeah.
Hey, and what about your co-stars from Camp Rock, like Demi Lovato and the Jonas Brothers? Do you still work with them, or is there a chance that you could do stuff with them?
Hey, there's a chance. You know, I haven't talked to them or seen them in a while, because obviously here in Hollywood, it's a crazy biz. Everybody's everywhere at separate times. But I'm pretty sure I'll get back together with them soon. And you never know. You never know. You might hear a Row JB record or a Row and Demi record soon. It'd be crazy.
That would be crazy. She's a friend of ours. We talked to her recently, and she was really cool. So we'll pass that on for you if you want.
Yeah, pass it on. She's awesome. That's my girl.
And you're our guy. So coming up, Roseanne is going to show you a few of his latest purchases in the studio. So whatever you do, don't go far. Now I'm pleased to welcome back to the studio Roseanne Fagan, who is joining us via Skype from LA, the star of Shake It Up. So this is so cool that you're here, buddy.
Thank you. Yeah.
Now, you're about to show us a few things that you've been collecting?
Yeah, I'm going to show you what one of my passions are, and that's collecting weird gadgets. A lot of crazy electronics.
Cool.
Yeah. So, I don't know, I got a home studio, and it's my baby. This is my favorite keyboard.
Awesome. Why is it your favorite?
I think because I've had it for so long, and the keys feel like no other. They're great. I don't know. It's like when you have something you never want to let go because you feel like it makes, you know, whatever you do special. That's what the keyboard does. It's
cool.
like a special keyboard. And then I got like weird gadgets like this Avalon 737 preamp, stuff that makes me sound fancy.
Nice.
These really expensive overseas speakers that I've been searching a long time to find and get. This awesome microphone here that makes me sound like Barry White. And then my prized possession, my custom beat machine.
Whoa!
Yeah, I made that myself.
What?
I got it gold plated on the front with this awesome like mahogany, redwood, whatever kind of sides here. It's really cool. It's new, but it looks vintage, and that was my vision. So yeah, I collect a lot of crazy instruments. I got more keyboards over here.
That is outstanding, Roshan. So that's just in your house?
That's just in the house, right. And I have a music and dance studio up and running called Grand Vault Studios, GVS. And, you know, we're doing some construction right now, but soon a big music studio will be running here downtown LA with my name on it. So that'll be awesome.
Wicked. And so that room there is where you record all your stuff at the moment?
Yeah, right now this is like my temporary studio until my bigger one is all up and running.
That's awesome. We've got a lot of Kiwi musos who do the same thing. They don't have a gold-plated vision mixer, but that's fine. Now, we've got some Facebook questions that have come through for you, Roshan, from your New Zealand fans. Do you mind if I ask you a few?
Of course not. Let's do it.
Okay, Melissa Graham would like to know, what's it like working with Zendaya and Bella Thorne?
Wow. That question is probably one of the biggest questions of all, because it's like what I have to do every day, basically. When I'm on set, I mean, there's not a day Zendaya and Bella's not there, so it's pretty full on, if that makes any sense. They got a lot of energy. You know, Bella's really hyper, believe it or not. She's always demanding the stage, and it's just a lot of fun always. You know what I mean? And you got Davis Cleveland, who's on set all day and acting crazy. You know, Adam. Everyone on set brings something to the table, and when Bella and Zendaya are on a roll, you can't stop them. So it's exciting. It's just really cool.
That is so wicked. Okay, Morgs Santos asks, who's your celebrity crush?
Oh man, celebrity crush. I don't really have one. I'll be honest. I don't know. I mean, who should my celebrity crush be?
We could name some Kiwis. We've got Jamie McDowell, might like that. We've got Jamie Curry from Jamie's World. She's great as well.
Yeah.
We've got heaps. You just have a Google, New Zealand celebs.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that Google, and then I'll get you back on that question. I don't know.
Awesome.
I have no idea. Beyonce, I would say, but then, you know, Jay-Z might come after me, so I don't really mean it.
This is true, this is true. Roshan, thank you so much for joining us today. You have just made our afternoon. So if you want to keep in touch with him, he's on Twitter all the time, which is @Roshan, or Instagram, which is the same, @Roshan as well. But thank you so much.
Thank you, and check out the studio, Grand Vault Studios, all right?
Brilliant.